Hello, traders. Welcome to our YouTube channel, FX Trade IQ. Here we are in gold chart. If you look at the structure, then you see the market was in bear structure. If you look at the gold, then gold clear doing lower high and lower low. And again lower high and lower low and doing same lower high and lower low. Then in gold, our plan was simple. We sell in either lower high point of interest, or we sell an order block or any other block. Here you look, there was a bullish order block. If their price rejection happened or any green candle happened, we plan for buying trade. We go to the lower time frame where we plan or any, and if green candle or rejection happen, we make a trade. Here gold in 5 minutes time frame consolidation happen in this zone. We wait for price to come to our level. And here price didn't respect our level and price directly break or zone with fair value gaps. And now this is our breaker block and we make sell trade here. First price touch this level. Now we directly entry in this order block with sell limit order. And the first target will be this swing low points, and stop loss will be the order block high. And our second target will be this swing low, and we directly enter with this retest point in 5 minutes time frame. Now here we are in gold 5 minutes chart, and we now wait for price to come to our level and tab in our sell limit point. Now here gold tab our limit order, and our entry will execute it. Now, gold hit our first target, and then here's second target. If more want this type educational and informative video, you like this video and subscribe our channel. FX Trade IQ